All right, well, we continue to focus on options charts. We're going to actually development-wise take a pause on this for a little while because we've got some other things to attend to. But this thing has been a bit of an obsession of mine lately, and I wanted to bring you up to date on some of the improvements. Just as a quick recap, using this is as simple as can be. It's really just dedicated completed options charts is all it does. So we just punch in a root symbol, which presents expiration dates, and it presents the proximal ones, but you could change that to show all if you wanted a more exhaustive list. Choose a type, and we'll do puts. You know, why not? This is a slope. Strike price, same idea. It shows the proximal strike prices, but you could say show all to show all this crazy stuff. And then you get a chart, and defaults to the option chart. You can choose any of these, and you can also augment it with an additional layer like so, to your heart's content. Once you've got a chart, and it'll show you a legend here, what equals what, you can save it to your watch list. And this is new. You can mark where you bought and sold this particular item. You can download the image to your drive, or you can tweet it out. And one item I'll mention that we've added is this mid here, so that we show the bid and the ask, but we're also showing the average of those, which for a well-traded option is, you know, it's all pretty tight. There's some options with huge spreads. It's kind of nice to have that midline to show more realistically where the market is. But the two cool things we've added, first I mentioned bought and sold, is one group, and we'll see that in a moment, and also this save thing, because we can save options now like so. And I've done this with my existing positions right now. And we go in here, and you can just thumb through them, and as you can see, it will bring up, if you've put them in, the segment, the line segment showing where you bought a particular item. I'll just pause here for a moment, and this is a good illustration of how that midline is helpful, because this particular option has insane bid-ask spreads. So the midline's a bit more useful portrayal of where the actual market is. Anyway, so we just thumbing through here long, and so like this is one of my better options here. This is Nike, bought it here, and as you can see, it's been doing all right. And I just think this is a way to really help personalize the experience, because, you know, it's hard enough to find an options chart anywhere out there. But if you're going to have that, you might as well enjoy the benefit of seeing where you bought it, and you can if you can mark sold as well. So I'll just show you how this works. It's almost too simple to bother explaining, but you just click on sold, you pick a date, and bang, it's done. And so that'll be preserved there. Now, some of you may be saying, well, can you put multiple boughts and solds there? You know, not yet. I'm kind of holding off on that. I'd rather put out something basic and have people clamor for something to be added instead of me just assuming it should go in there. But if people really want that, we can add that, certainly. But as it is now, it's just one bought, one sold. And to delete it, you just kind of reselect it like that. You know what? I think that's just about it. So for you Platinum folks, this is ready to use right this second. All these features you've seen are live. And for everybody else, consider going Platinum, because it'll be a big focus for me in the coming years. So thanks for your attention, and hope you're having a good Sunday.